Hello everyone, I will be talking to you guys today about multilingualism in Pakistan. In Pakistan, there are 5 different languages which are most primarily spoken, but as a whole, Pakistan is home to a lot of different languages and dialects, and it would take a lot longer to be able to get through all of those. Therefore, we're just going to be focusing on 5 of them today. These 5 and a lot of other languages and dialects in Pakistan all belong to the Indo-Iranian group of the Indo-European language family. The first one we'll be talking about today is called Urdu, the other official language of Pakistan. The other one is English. It is actually more of a second language to the majority of Pakistanis. Only about 8% of the population speak it as a first language. It's believed to date back all the way to the 14th century, and it's believed that it used to be known as Hindustani. Something interesting is that Urdu is short for Zuban-e-Urdu-e-Muyalla, which means language of the exalted city. The reason being that the language was used for the capital city of the king in years past. It is a language that is used formally and informally. It is a required study in all primary schools and is used in formal writing as well as in popular media. Punjabi. Punjabi is the native language of the region of Punjab in East Pakistan. It's the 10th most widely spoken language in the world. Punjabi is distinct within the Indo-European languages because of its lexical tone, that is, the way in which one conveys meaning through the pitch of the voice, similar to certain Asian languages. It's not usually a language of instruction, although students in secondary schools can choose the language as an elective. Many books, plays, and songs are being written or produced in the Punjabi language in Pakistan currently. Sindhi. Sindhi is spoken by about 14.5% of Pakistanis. It is taught in schools and even in the southern end of the Punjabi region. The Arabs who ruled the Sindh province for more than 150 years left quite an influence, and therefore the social fabric of Sindh contains elements of Arabic society within the language. It has 6 major dialects and is written in Arabic text. There are many Sindhi language television channels broadcasting in Pakistan, and the Sindhi language software such as Sindhi language keyboards have been developed for the Windows OS Android smartphones. Pashto, also known as Pukto, it's an Eastern Iranian language, and it is spoken in Pakistan, mostly in the west and the northern regions of the country, by a little over 15% of the people. Pashto speakers have long had a tradition of oral literature, including proverbs, stories, and poems. Pashto speakers hold mixed races, ethnicities, religions, and cultures, but do not hold cultural reverence to the ethnicity or of those origins. Pashtuns are of ancient Iranian origin and lived in Afghanistan years before other ethnic groups in Afghanistan, and all of this was before some migrated to what is now Pakistan. Saraiki. Saraiki is the first language of 20 million people in Pakistan. It's extremely similar to Punjabi and is spoken in southern Punjab and the nearby regions of Pakistan. There are at least 12 radio stations in Pakistan that broadcast programs in Saraiki. Of these 5 languages that we've talked about now, Saraiki is probably the least spoken, but there are still those fighting for its exposure throughout Pakistan and in popular media. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and I hope you enjoyed it.